Welcome to Smart QR Order, an all-in-one digital solution. It brings everything together. Let's explore Smart QR Order.
Open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, enter Smart QR Order and press Enter. From the search results, locate the website titled Smart QR Order, Best Hospitality POS, and Digital QR Menu, and open the official website. Once the website has loaded, spend some time exploring the platform to understand its overall functionality. Review the available products, services, and modules to gain an understanding of how Smart QR Order helps hospitality businesses manage operations through its integrated POS system, digital QR menu, online ordering, and other business management solutions. On the homepage, locate the section titled Perfect for Every Business with the heading One Platform. Multiple industries. Infinite possibilities. This section showcases industry-specific solutions for the following business types: hotel, restaurant, café, bar, bakery, cloud kitchen, resort, multi-outlet, catering, food court. Review the interactive slider and explore the features presented for each business category to understand how the platform is tailored to different hospitality segments. Continue scrolling until you reach the section titled For Every Establishment. Perfect for every business, which includes the description. From intimate cafes to large food courts, our platform adapts to your unique needs. In this section, you'll find individual business cards representing all 10 hospitality categories. Select the restaurant card by clicking the Explore Features button. A new browser tab will open, displaying the dedicated restaurant solution page. Review the complete set of restaurant-specific features, modules, and capabilities to understand how the platform is designed to streamline restaurant operations and enhance the customer experience.
Ready to get started? Connect with our team through WhatsApp. Learn about features and pricing. Start your free trial today.